Let's talk about autism. In general, autism is a disease that disability and the challenges of interacting with others compared to normal person. However, the percentage of the world population is diagnosed with ASD, and that 1% of the world population has ASD in 2014. Statistics show there are 300,000 people living with ASD in Malaysia. There are the symptoms and effect of autism spectrum disorder. Significance of study. First, to know and predict whether infants are at risk with ASD. Second, to ensure that parents and doctors are aware of the condition of the child. And lastly, to confirm the presence of ASD in children, this study used classification technique using N colony optimization. The main objective of this study is to develop the autistic spectrum disorder among toddlers, and sub-objective is to pre-process the dataset. Second, to train data using N colony optimization, and lastly, to validate the classification model. This dataset from autistic spectrum disorder from Alisa et al. 2012. So, how I'm use this dataset to predict autistic spectrum disorder? So the answer is using N colony optimization and using data mining classification to rate classification model, which is called N-. Let me explain about N colony optimization (ACO) in data mining. ACO is a system based on behavior of N colony in nature and is search for release chemical of pheromone and maybe attack other ants. When the time in number of N increase, pheromone intensity in atmosphere may change. Hence, this method comes from classification rules such as entropy, heuristic, and probability. The graph shows of accuracy and the number of N, which is starting from 100 to 2000. So, the higher the accuracy value, the better of classification model. So, to get that result, I use GUI-M- software. After that, I have to compare accuracy between N- with other algorithm, which is J48. So, we can see that N- is better predictive accuracy compared to J48. Then, the lowest the number of rule and number of condition is the best result. In conclusion, autistic spectrum disorder can be predicted by using N- algorithm. In the future, autism spectrum disorder in children continue to be predicted, which can improve model accuracy.